Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find your trade URL on Steam. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all we need to open Steam, and here in the top right corner we need to click on our username and go to view my profile. So basically it will open your profile on the Steam, and from here we need to click on the inventory button right here to see everything what is on our inventory. Now if we go and click on trade offers, we will see the information about the trade offers, and here in the right side we will find the place where it says who can send me trade offers. We need to click on it also. And basically in the third-party sites, in the section third-party sites, we will have our trade URL. We can copy this URL and send it to our friend, and he will trade with us some items. But if you want to create a new URL, you can simply click on create new URL and then confirm the action clicking on create new URL button, and it will update your trade URL and make it and change it. And basically that is it. That is how you can find your trade URL on Steam. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.